Hi everyone, welcome to the Knitting Turnpike. Welcome to the Knitting Turnpike. My name is Sheena Pike. I'm so happy that you're here today. Today we are going to be doing the giveaway. We're picking the winners to my Cleaning Out My Yarn Room giveaway number 2. And I had 5 different yarn offerings. We're going to be picking 5 winners today for those yarn offerings. So I usually just chit. So let's just get into it and let's start picking some winners. All right, here we go. Today we're going to pick the winners for the 5 yarn offerings. Today we're going to do this a little bit differently. I have than I normally do. Instead of me filming my computer screen with my camera, I'm going to just try to capture this. Let's see if I got that copy correctly. I like to double check. All right, here we go. We're going to filter duplicate users. We're going to start from the bottom up. So we're going to start with the 5 skeins of Plymouth worsted weight Encore yarn in the autumn colorways. Thank you guys so much for participating in this giveaway. It really was so nice to see so much interest in these yarns I have from my stash. And I wish each and every one of you the best of luck. And again, it was very overwhelming and wonderful to see so much interest in these yarns. 375 comments for the Encore yarn. I wish each and every one of you the best of luck. Here we go. Let's pick the winner. I only wish I could just have a whole bunch of yarn to give away to everybody. Rachel King. It says, Olin, Lichen, Pastel, Encore. I've worked with Red Heart Roll With It Tweed before on 2 different projects. It's lovely to work with. Aw, awesome. Thank you for that feedback. Look at that lovely family she has. That's so sweet. All right, let's just double check. Make sure that you can see your subscriptions. There I am. All right. Rachel, you are the winner of the 5 skeins of Encore yarn. Congratulations. So very happy for you. Because there I am. All right. This is Rachel King. All right, let's pick the winner of the next set of yarn. This is the Pastel Red Heart Roll With It Tweed. 5 skeins of yarn in pastel. Let's grab the YouTube comments. $434. It's a lot more interest in that yarn. All right, good luck to each and every one of you. Chris Nabel. It says, oh my goodness, what beautiful yarns. I would love Pheno, Olin, and Lichen. Also Pastel, also Encore. Please thank Mr. Turnpike and also you. You look like you're feeling better. Well, thank you, Chris. I won't go into that, but thank you for your lovely comment. Look how cute you are there. Oh, let's see. Let's check your subscriptions here. There I am. All right, Chris Nabel, you are the winner of the 5 skeins of Red Heart Roll With It Tweed and Pastel. Congratulations. So very happy for you. All right, let's go back and pick the winner of the Lichen and Lace Wild. This is a fingering weight yarn in the colorway Wildflowers. It's 1 skein. It's like a sock yarn in multicolors. Really pretty yarn. All right, 364 people were interested in this. So let's pick the winner. Good luck to you guys. Lee Sal. It says, such beautiful yarns. Hi, sweetheart. I would love, in the little hugs, I would love and appreciate any gifts given. Yes, please, to Fino, Olin, Lichen, Pastel, and Encore. You truly are so amazing. Oh my goodness, you're so sweet. I hope you are well and stay safe, sweetheart. You are so sweet. Thank you. That's such a sweet and lovely comment. You always have the best comments. So let's just double check. There I am. All right, Lee, you are the winner of the Lichen and Lace Wildflower Sock Yarn. So happy for you. All right, let's pick the winner of the fourth yarn offering. The word for that was Olin, Olann. This is the Olin Mills DK weight superwash merino yarn. It's two different colorways, but they're very close. I think they'll blend very nicely. Grab the YouTube comments for this yarn offering. 407 people. I thought there was a little bit more interest in that one. So let's go ahead. Good luck to you guys. Pick a winner. Charlene Crochet Corner. Oh my goodness, it says, oh, my birthday is July the 13th. It would be great to win. Oh my goodness, the Fino is gorgeous. I can make gorgeousness out of that. I'm drooling. Olin is just as beautiful. You have such a wonderful yarn eye. Oh my goodness, you're so sweet. The Lichen is perfect. Pastel is gorgeous for a sweater for two of my granddaughters. Oh, I love the Encore yarn as well. My first choice is Fino, but would love to win any of the 5. Well, Charlene, first of all, happy belated birthday to you. I'm so excited that your name was picked. Oh my goodness, this is for the Olin Mills yarn. Am I right? Yep, Olin Mills. I'm not remembering what I'm saying here. So let's just double check here. Okay, I'm going to have to do something else. I'm not seeing Charlene on my list, but I do know YouTube has been having some trouble with that. So if you guys don't mind taking a little bit of a journey with me into my studio, I know that there has been an instance where when you can't see people, let's see how many subscribers. She's 671. When you can't see people, sometimes in your, there she is. Sometimes it seems lately when you can't, YouTube is having a glitch. I've had this happen with a few other people where I can't see my subscriptions publicly, but then when I go and check into my subscribers and I see here that Charlene's Crochet Corner is subscribed to me publicly, I can see her. If she wasn't, I wouldn't be able to see her in here. So I am using this as a backup until YouTube gets that problem fixed. I have contacted them about it and they told me they are working on it. So this is my backup way. So Charlene Crochet Corner, you are the winner of the Olin Mills 3 skeins of yarn. So very happy for you. I think I'll leave this open in case that happens on the next person. All right, here we go. Now we are going to pick the winner of the Manis del Uruguay Fino yarn, one of my favorite yarns that I've ever used. I think I have almost every colorway. And let's grab the YouTube comments. 390. All right. These are for 3 skeins. It's almost 1,500 yards of extra fine merino wool and silk yarn in the colorway Pocket Watch. All right, here we go. Let's pick the winner of those 3 skeins. Sally Newbar says, such beautiful yarns. Fino, Olin, Lichen, Encore, and Pastel. I see beautiful shawls and scarves. Thank you. Oh my goodness, Sally. You are a person after my own heart. If you're talking shawls and scarves. Let's double check here. I'm so happy that I'm seeing everybody subscriptions. You guys are getting your subscription set to public, so thank you for doing that. There I am. So Sally, congratulations, you're the winner of the 3 skeins of Pheno yarn. So happy for you. So happy for each and every one of my winners. Again, these are my winners: Rachel, Chris, Lee, Charlene, and Sally. Thank you all for participating in this giveaway. There is another one to come. I've already got giveaway number 3 recorded. So if you didn't win this time, just hang in there, and I hope I'll have some more yarns that you will be interested in winning. Congratulations to all the winners. If your name was picked, please email me at knitbymoonbeams@gmail.com your shipping information. If you are outside of the U.S., please include a phone number so that I can put that on the customs form. And let's connect and let me get these prizes to you, and I will ship them as soon as I've been able to connect with you and get your information. Thank you guys for entering. Thank you guys for participating. I hope you all have a lovely rest of your day, and take care.